One of the most important skill that a product designer, product manager, product developer, or anyone working with digital products is product sensing skills. What product sensing skill is like? Whenever you look at a product or you are given a requirement for a feature or you think about a particular problem, you should be able to try to formulate a solution in the form of a product. So the best way to build product sensing skills is to use the other apps in the industry. Say if you're a fintech, you work at a fintech startup or a fintech company, use the other competitor apps just to try to understand how they are able to basically solve the problem that you have at hand. You just go through these different products and just try to understand how they are able to do it, what are the design patterns, and slowly you will be able to formulate the solution that for the problem that you have at hand. And this is what product sensing skill is.